All right, everyone. A real quick update for Solana here. So Solana, we've been watching this thing on the 3-day chart. We got a couple of green boxes here to watch for support, potential targets to hit. But as of right now, we are bullish. We're getting stuck at that 786 on the much larger time frame, the much larger Fibonacci from the high way back here in November of 2021 to the low. So once we break over the 126 area at that 786, this thing's going to start flying back to the high, as you can see there at 276. So from where you are right now, if we remain bullish, you can see that once we break through 126, we got another 144% spike to the upside here. So what I want to do on this update is just really quick zoom down to the daily chart here and show you guys the reason why it's holding support where it's holding support at. If we go from this low here, my computer's freezing. If we go from that low there to that high at that 786, you can see the price from that low to that high sitting right on your 236. So Solana over 102 is extremely bullish here for a move back up to break that high at 126. So there's nothing bearish right now on Solana. You could stay above 102 and be extremely bullish, and you could potentially pull back all the way down to the $89 area from where you are right now. You can see that would be a drop of about 17.5% to the 382 and still be considered extremely bullish here. And potentially on a much larger time frame, if this 618 and this green box holds down here, I would consider you still bullish. But the price of Solana could end up coming down to this area. You can see that is the 618 on that much smaller daily Fibonacci we drew. So we could have a 618 retracement down to the macro 618, and we could end up doing something like this before it decides to go back up. That is a possibility. So I just want you guys to be aware of that. But I would say as long as you hold on to 102 and potentially 90 bucks, there's potential that Solana is just going to have a little small retracement here and it's going to go straight back up. Any lower than 90, then I'm looking for about 70 bucks to get hit on Solana here. And from where you are right now, that is potentially about a 35% move from right now. So just keep an eye on those prices. Any lower than these, then $70 is on the table, in my opinion, for Solana, back down to that pretty much double 618 according to those Fibonacci's there. So the momentum is clearly down at the moment. Looking over at the Heikin-Ashi candles, you can see we are still printing green. We do have shadows over the last two candles here. So it's really indecisive, but it is bullish here. So yeah, we will leave it at that on Solana for now, and we'll just kind of update it as the days go along here. So we did roll back over to red, or green rather, on the daily chart after this move down to that 236 support, and the trend up has started once again. So we may be getting our bounce that we need on Solana here to start pushing higher here. So yeah, we will leave it at that on Solana. Good luck, not financial advice, and we will see you in the next one. Peace out.